it name. Must be spot checker or whatever they want to call it. Who don't know what it name. Somebody else have to count the money to make sure when it's a lot of money. So she come and say somebody else have to count the money. She count the money. She not done. She come back again and say they don't have the machine for detect if the money fake or whatever. You know me, I get ignorant now, because remember, you know, me stand up at the counter, you know the line long in there because of Christmas now. Because of Christmas now, so everybody I look like, what is now? She count the money. Syria, look for the money. I look for the money 40, 50 blood clot time. She just look for the money, so I look for the money, I skip the money and I look. Here or now? How these 250 look different? Can we get some more for $50? Here. How these $250 they look different. I just take out the rest of the money out of my bag. I say you want the next one and liquor with it. I just say you want the next one. Because I know she come and create excitement for me for. I just take out the rest of $50 out of my bag and say, what happened, lady? You want the next one? Make sure she say there's more where that come from. But I tell you what, she did know when I go on, you know. Remember, you know, I know she check me, you know, she has spot checking a 3 woman come now, you know, 3 black woman come now, you know. The other lady where I do the spot check, where I make sure I say the other woman count good, she did it. Here the next one where I check if the money fake. No ma'am, don't feel away, bitch, I feel away. I feel away. Walmart, I feel away. You can tell me about, don't feel no way. No. Yes, me feel away. You know why me feel away? You see, if me did white, me sad to say, she would have expect, say, me could have so much money. But she don't know me. She don't know say a spy. She don't see a little black girl come with the 3 trolley of cash out and she see cash out. She don't eat that and she black, you know. But true society don't embed it in our mind already, say. We not have so much money and we not push out 3 trolley out of Walmart. Error. Don't feel away. I feel away. I feel a fucking way. Me just ball out for her. Because I know that everywhere I go, I make everybody know say I'm Jamaican. And when them trouble me now, I make them know say I'm Jamaican. I'm hot man, I sweat now. I don't understand it. Listen, you see me there foreign, I act nice and distant and carry myself good. Them a twang me, I'll twang back on them. Them don't know where I come from, nobody don't know nothing. If you don't know me, you don't know me. Yes, when they piss me off and the Jamaican lick out of me, it can't come out. Error. Don't feel away. I say I feel away. Me say me feel a blood clot way. Me feel away, lady. Because you have the long line right there, so you see the 3 cat already and done excitement. You come check money 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and about $150 look more than next $50. But just take out more than $50 them and say, see more $50 yeah. I feel away. Don't feel away, me don't